We just had Brian finish up a major project for us. If you can imagine, we moved our facility from one roof into two. We've got our office, and then down the street, we've got our warehouse, and we needed Brian's help to completely redo everything. As a business owner, it's super important to me that we've set up all of our people to succeed. And so we want to make sure that they've got great Wi-Fi experience, that if they need to get into the building after hours, we've got a really simple key card system, that we're keeping them super safe with cameras and all these things. That's something that I knew I could trust Brian with. Tectro does a lot of that stuff in-house, but even some of those extra things, they took upon themselves to make sure that we had just a super turnkey end product for our people. Anytime you're working with subcontractors or construction, there's 25 people you're dealing with on a project. And usually a pretty good majority of those folks are going to be behind schedule, over budget, and just a pain to work with. On this huge project, there's nobody I was more grateful to work with than Brian. So as you're thinking about a move or a project or just redoing some of your antiquated stuff, you're gonna have a great experience working with Tectro thanks to Brian's leadership.